Hola chicos, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce Spanish to you. I'm going to talk about its logic. I'm going to tell you about how we form words, how we connect different parts, and at the end, I'll give you some tips so you can advance faster. Since this is an introductory video, it's going to be especially useful for those of you who haven't started learning Spanish yet. But everybody will have something to learn, so let's get into it. Spanish is an inflectional language, which means that the end of words gives us information such as the gender or the number of those words. In a way, Spanish resembles a puzzle because we connect different pieces to create something more complex. And we have two different types of pieces. One type that gives us the meaning of the word and the other one that provides extra information. In the word gato, which means male cat, we have two parts, gat and o. Gat gives us the meaning in the word, and o talks about the gender, which in this case is male. We can also connect gat with other three different parts to create new words. If I want to say a female cat, I'm going to say gata. If I want to talk about a group of male cats, I will say gatos, and a group of female cats could be gatas. Here on the screen, you can see the four different combinations we have learned for this word. Basically, you can apply this logic to most nouns, adjectives, and determiners. Verbs work a little bit differently. There are basically two pieces of information we can get from them: the person who does the action and the time of the action. Let's see an example. If I take the part habl, which means speak, I can combine it with 6 different endings. I speak would be hablo. You speak would be hablas. He or she speaks would be habla. We speak, hablamos. You, in plural, speak, habláis. They speak, hablan. So as you can see, with this ending, I can know who is the person who is doing the action and the time when the action is happening. That in this case is the present tense. Now that we are at the end of the video, I'm going to give you 2 tips that are going to help you improve much faster in Spanish. Number 1, keep an eye on the ending of words. If you see nouns, try to see if you can identify if they are male, female, singular, or plural. And if they are verbs, try to see if you can know who is doing the action. Number 2, when you learn new words, try to see if there are parts that you learned previously. For example, today we learned that hablo means I speak. Now, if I take the word hablador, can you identify that there is one part that is very similar, which is habl? And what meaning does it give us? Basically, that this word is somehow going to be related to speak. Hablador means talkative. I hope you guys find this information useful. Let me know in the comments if there is anything you didn't understand or if there is something else you want to learn, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta la próxima!